험하다.
짐이 이런 거였습니다.
네, 저는 지금 차나칼레라는 도시에 왔고요. 이스탄불에서 잠깐 버스킹 하다가 만났던 친구가 있어요. 근데 그 친구가 차나칼레에서 학교를 다니고 있거든요. 그래서 이즈미르 가는 길에 차나칼레 잠깐 들러서 버스킹 같은 거 혹시 해줄 수 있니라 그래갖고 제가 아무 생각 없이 오케이를 했습니다. 여기는 진짜 뭐 관광객들도 없고 소도시거든요. 잠깐 들른다는 게 생각보다 저한테는 빡센. 메라바. I'm just introducing here and you invite me.
Do you like the city?
Yeah, very calm.
So little.
Yeah.
After we want to drink coffee.
Okay, sure.
There is also other people playing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She wanted to talk with you, but
Oh, really?
my English so bad.
Are you very good? She's also Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah. Or there is so it's okay.
Do you learn a little bit Turkish language?
Teşekkür ederim.
Teşekkür ederim.
Teşekkür ederim. But the side of there has so I don't wanna.
It's a little city, but I like this city.
Ah, yeah.
The first time when I came here,
Yeah.
I thought that why it's so little city. Like, but after I like the city. Just first of all, it's a near Muslim. In Kazakhstan, living in Turkish. Because of them, my dad can study here.
So are you Muslim?
Yeah.
Ah, really? But you don't have a
What?
hijab like that?
It haven't.
Ah, really? I didn't know about that. Everything. Go there? Okay.
One day you can go to Kazakhstan.
All right.
So beautiful in Almaty. You have own song.
I'll try to today.
Okay. I tried to learn Korean English, but it's so really hard.
Not hard.
But one day I will learn. Maybe I will go there one day. I'm so want to go there. I will help.
이 아름다운 사람의 발끝이 길을 걸을 때 불어오는 저 따스한 여름 바람들이 내부를 스치고 사랑받았던 그 순간에 온기가 위로가 되어 부딪히는 모든 아픈 상처에 잘 들어맞는 약이 되어서 손을 잡고 길을 걸으며 괜찮은 진눈빛으로 서로를 바라보며 잘해왔다고 더 잘할 수 있다고 저 포근한 하늘이 우릴 감싸준다고. 너를 안고 뒤를 맞으며 있는 그대로 날 웃게 하는 건 내 앞에 있는 너라는 아름다운 사람. Thank you, 감사합니다. I'm from Korea and I do you have any request Korean song then? Korean. South. teşekkürler. 감사합니다. 우리 그날의 추억들 멋지게 남아서 teşekkürler. 감사합니다. This is my original song. 감사합니다.
That's your song?
Yeah.
Really? Very nice. You're
Then I'm from Korea.
Korea?
You like Japan?
very much.
Really?
I love Japan.
Really? But,
I also love Korea.
do you know Japanese song? 忘れたものを取りに帰るようにあの日の悲しみさえ今でもあなたは You know this song? But I'm not Japanese, I'm Korean.
I never thought I would hear this song here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's,
You have a friend over there.
Hanging around.
oh, can you?
Just play and I try to follow.
Okay. 뭐지? Is it Korean music fine?
Korean music song.
Okay. Is it G major? 아무래도 사랑인가 봐. Thank you so much. I'm ready. 이 밤 그날의 반딧불을 당신의 그럼 언제든 눈을 감고
What's your name? Taha.
And Aaron.
Aaron. Oh.
It was a so beautiful evening.
Ah, thank you so much.
Subscribe to him. Subscribe his channel. He's a really good person. His music is so good too.
Actually, I'm not good at
This song or which song together?
I just wish you could feel
That you makes you whole.
나와 함께 해줘 이 밤이 감사합니다.
대박.
감사합니다.
You're really singing well. I really like it.
Oh my god. 추워.
Okay, I'm ready. Where we go now?
A warm place.
Okay. Anyway, what's your name?
Sina.
Sinam. Nice to meet you. Thank you for
Your name?
Yongjong.
Yongjong.
Yeah.
You're traveling just Turkey or you will also go another country?
I will go Antalya. Then I will choose to another country.
Antalya is my hometown.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, it's
I was
amazing.
born and raised there.
Ah, yeah, I will play there also.
It's really pretty.
Ah.
Pretty. I'm studying Japanese.
Ah, そうですか。
日本語できますか？
日本語できますか？
本当ですか？
あー、ちょっと喋るできます。
よかった。私の日本語は英語より上手ですので。
おー、上手です。I lived Osaka 3 months.
I will go there
Ah, really?
after the summer.
Maybe I will go Japan also.
Come to Japan. でも日本語で話せるのはすごいね。
와, 만 사람들. She like it.
좋아.
좋아해 is like that.
I like
I
it.
like it.
But you have lived there, right?
Just 3 months, but actually not live. Just every day I play in the street.
When you first go there, did you know any Japanese or you just learn it?
Just ありがとうございます。すみません。食べ放題？
食べ放題。
I mean like because I eat a lot. Unlimited barbecue or something. Yeah.
BTS, the other group, girl groups, Twice, Blackpink, G-idol. I love G-idol. I forgot the name. Okay, こんな感じかな。
I'm not Japanese. I'm 한국인です。
How to say I'm sorry in Korean?
It's okay, it's okay. ごめんなさい。
I want to learn
ご
it.
めん。
죄송해요. çok iyi anlaşıyoruz. Gerçekten. Weird communication, three languages.
Yeah.
And you look younger than me.
No. I don't like that. I don't think
I
so.
don't know, because Turkish people look older than their age, right?
Sen bayağı genç gösteriyorsun.
Ama benim sınıfımdaki erkekler erkekler daha iyisi. Evet.
君とがるストーリーそれはいつも通り慣れてしまえば愛を枯れられたらいいなとても綺麗だ顔も不器用な服も全部
If you want to try a lot,
very thank
you can try it now.
now?
He won't eat it.
Oh my
It's
god.
late.
I like the taste, but
But you're good.
no, just forget about it. Merhaba.
Merhaba, welcome Turkey.
Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Nutella, wow. When I was in 100 kilogram, I ate many Nutella.
I like Nutella. So it's okay for you too.
I'm not okay. 와, 저런 거구나.
Karışık olabilir. Sütlü çikolata ve benim.
Teşekkürler. The foggy is very romantic.